Hey guys, have you heard of the Mexican wave? It's a football thing. Devan saw it on TV today and he won't stop talking about it. A Mexican wave starts when a person in the audience stands up, raises his hand, and then sits down. Just then, the next person repeats exactly what the previous one did. This continues like a chain reaction and results in the Mexican wave. If all members of the audience were to stand up together, then it would be a standing ovation. But standing up sometime after the previous person causes a wave to form. When a pebble is dropped into water, the water gets some amount of energy from it. With that energy, water droplets start to jump up and down, and these droplets transfer energy to the next set of droplets, causing them to vibrate. Now, all these droplets vibrate up and down, but not together. Every drop vibrates slightly after the previous drop, and because of this, a wave is formed. Two things are necessary for a wave to form. First, every particle must form exactly the same kind of vibration. And second, all particles must not vibrate together. There should be a minute delay between the vibration of two particles. Even air particles move from one place to another and do not return immediately. When this migration of air particles is slow, it's called wind. When it's fast, we call it a storm. But can air particles move without migrating? Well, particles of a medium do not migrate, they vibrate. And when a wave reaches a particle, it causes the particle to vibrate with energy. Soon after, the next particle receives energy and begins to vibrate. Just like in the Mexican wave, all particles of a medium vibrate, just not together. The vibration of every next particle is slightly delayed. Thus, at any given moment, all particles in a medium are at different positions of vibration, and together they form a pattern which we call wave. Sound waves can travel through solids, liquids, and gases, but not through vacuum. Why? Because vacuum doesn't have particles, and without particles, there can be no vibration and therefore no waves. Well, it only makes sense. Think about it. Can there be a Mexican wave without an audience?